Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send snaps from camera rolls as a normal snaps on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So no matter what you're gonna do, you're first gonna go ahead and access your particular Snapchat app on your mobile phone, and if you go to your chat section and you go to this person, and if you send them the file from your camera roll, it will go like this, like it won't be delivered like a snap will usually do. So for that, you're gonna go back, go to this camera icon, and now go to this, now simply tap on the search icon in the explore section. You're gonna go ahead type in green screen as well, so you have to find a particular one which allows you to upload, right? So for me, right, this one particular, go ahead tap on it. Now it will let gallery video of yours. Simply go ahead choose one, and simply, right, once you have chose it, simply go ahead click it, and now you have particular gallery picture of yours. Now tap on this next, or you can send it to anybody like a snap there in your Snapchat. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in our next video.